What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now just recently I've seen a lot of people trying to get shut of their M4 iPad Pros. I'm not getting rid of mine anytime soon, but I figured seeing as how there's some new people now picking up the iPad Pro M4, why not show you some cases that you can get for it. So what I've done is, Pitaka were kind enough to send out two cases. One is just a standard case, you can't do anything with it, but it's got a nice carbon fibre accent on it, and also works with the magnetic keyboard from Apple. The other one is the magnetic Folio case. Now the slim case can be used in conjunction with Pitaka's case as well, so you haven't got to take it off to put it on Pitaka's case. You can keep the case on, slap it in, and then slap it off when you want to just use it handheld. So I think we'll start with that one first. So I'll move the magnetic folio out the way and we'll start with the premium woven case. So premium woven case for 13-inch iPad Pro 2024 M4, shows it on the front right there. Woven from aramid fibre, magnetic keyboard compatible like I said, and Apple Pencil Pro compatible too. Let's flip it over onto the back because it shows off a little more. Meticulously embedded with magnets. That's why it's able to be used with a conjunction of other cases. Premium aramid fibre, slim and light, camera protection and wear resistant. It looks like it just pulls out from the top maybe. There we go. So it just pulls out like so. Looks quite nice. So let's take that out and see what else you get inside here. Nothing but just shows you how to clip it in and what type of things it'll work with. It says here you can use it with the Mag Easy stand, but I think it won't charge to the Mag Easy stand, if what I was told was right. Still works with the Mag Easy stand, so if you got the Mag Easy stand from last year where you could charge your iPad through it, let's take a look at this. So it's nice aramid fibre. Connection points on the bottom right there, the Pitaka logo on this side. It's nice and flexible, to be honest. Cut out there for your Apple Pencil, volume rocker, power button, cut out for your speakers, Pitaka logo in the middle for the compatible with the Mag Easy stand. Now with the Mag Easy stand you'd also get the puck that goes on the back, so I wonder whether that would work. It's something we might have to test out in a short. Here is my M4 iPad Pro, so let's line it up and then snap it into place like so. So then flip it over and there we go. So camera cut out on the top, but it does have a camera guard on it, so it'll sit nice. Part of the iPad is shown on the bottom, but this is for times where you want to lay it down, you don't want to scratch the back of it, you can lay it down like so and do whatever you need to. But yeah, sits in really nice. Clicky buttons. Let's see, let's slap it onto the top, and yeah, Apple Pencil Pro charging through the case. Does it come off? No, not really. That's on there pretty well. Let me know what you think of that. Is that something you would pick up? The thing that also actually goes with it, that you can actually use, because you can have back into the case, is the magnetic folio case. Have it in landscape mode, portrait mode, or drawing mode. Now we did have this, I believe, was it last year? It might have been last year, for the iPad Pro. Premium PU leather, slim and light, landscape portrait mode switch, and double-sided protection. So I think this one pulls up and out. Yes it does. So there we go. So let's take that out. So nothing else on there, but it shows how you can stand the iPad, how you can use the Mag Easy case too for the iPad Pro as well, and it'll sit inside the case, opening and hiding the leather buckle. There's a little gap inside it, but we'll show you that now. So Pitaka shows you the lines of how this case is. Slide. So let's see if it'll slide out. I think the last time we had to rip it in the end, but let's just go ahead and rip it open. There we go. So unfold that back and you can take that piece out, and then unfold that piece and take that Pitaka logo at the top. The joins inside it for the origami iPad case, cut out for the camera. If you open it up, nice felt velvety little microfiber lining, feels really good. Let's go ahead and get the iPad Pro, slap it in, and it should, if I remember right, it should, yeah, just sits perfectly. Then you can fold this shut, fold that back, and there you go. In the magnetic folio, also with the Mag Easy case, but you can actually use this without the Mag Easy case. You don't need the Mag Easy case for this to work. If you grab it like so, flick it back, there is your landscape mode, and obviously you'd hide this behind the case in that gap that I told you about. I'll show you that in a sec. Of course, you can flip it around, you can have it in drawing mode to take the pen off, and then there's obviously the stand-up mode as well. Let's take the pen off like so. There we go. And that's how easy it is. Literally the origami iPad case. But if we remove this piece out, these magnets are strong. So see the gap right here? So you can fold this in, fold it into the gap like so, and then place that back down. Now you don't have to worry about that, but it just sits off the case and puts a little like bevel there. It also acts as like the power mode as well, where it'll turn the iPad off. Not off, but it'll turn the screen away into standby mode. And then what you think of that? Is this something you would consider picking up for your iPad Pro? I know they do them for the 11-inch one as well. The links in the description to where you can pick these up for yourself. Huge thank you to Pitaka for sending these over. Huge thank you to you guys for watching, and let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.